Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke, and in today's video I will be sharing my swatches of 6 beautiful polishes from What's Up Nails. They were kind enough to send these 6 polishes out to me, as well as their beautiful new eyeshadow palette, which I have already shared a shorts video of. If you would like to see any swatches of the eyeshadow palette, let me know. I will try to do another shorts video for you guys as a little extra video, I'd say. But the 6 polishes that I will be sharing today, there are actually 4 different finishes. There are 2 gem encrusted ones, 2 duochromes, 1 matte and 1 regular cream. But here you can see a little overview of the palette. Of course, if you haven't seen my short video about that yet, definitely check it out. I also share it on TikTok and Instagram if you're interested. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But for now, I'm just going to let you be. Grab something to eat, something to drink, and of course grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me while watching this video. So for most of the polishes, I will be applying 2 coats, especially the glittery shimmery ones, the duochromes, as well as the gem encrusted ones. But for the matte one as well as the other cream, I will just be doing 1. Oh, and for the record, the stickers on the bottom of the bottles were kind of printed woozy, like they were not like in focus at all. So it kind of looks like my camera is freaking out, but the stickers were just printed a little woozy. So yeah, the footage is completely like on point, on fleek, just for your information. But I'm just gonna quit rambling. I hope you will enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about these colors and which one is your favorite. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.